Twist the air bleed collar counterclockwise and remove. Press the air bleed button down and out of the bell housing. You may have to bump it like this in order to release it. Pick up the bypass switch and remove the lower portion. Insert the threaded part into the bell housing from the bottom. Then carefully twist the upper portion clockwise and hand tighten. Use your hand and a rag to hold the bottom part so it doesn't twist. Test it by flipping the switch like this. You should see a black plastic rod sticking out inside the bell housing when the switch is off.